And this is Ben snowshoeing for the very first time. New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2010. Are you snowshoeing, Ben? He is doing so well. Wow, look at you go. Hi. You need help? You want to hold Mommy's hand? You want to play?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good job. Are you making a snowball?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hi?
No. No.
Can you say hello?
No.
No. Are you snowshoeing? Can you say bye-bye, camera?
Bye-bye, Tom.